Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a great day. Today I will be making some black-eyed peas and ham hocks. As you can see, I got my peas. They've been soaking for 10 hours in this water. Even the little split peas that risen to the top, it's going out too. Like I said, I had these peas soaking for like 10 hours in this water. Everything that's risen up to the top is coming out of here. I don't know where you want to go, but you got to leave this pot. Talk to these peas. I have my ham hocks boiling. Been boiling now for like 2 hours. That's the way I do it. Can you clear this out? Not quite 2 hours, maybe 10 more minutes. It'll be 2 hours. And move it around some. Let some more rise up. It's going out. Let's see, let me show you one. That's it. Move it around some more. Got to go. I got my little net. Got to go. Give it another stir. Whatever floating has got to go. I'm getting there. Okay, that's about it. Like I said, my ham hocks been cooking now for like 2 hours. What I'm going to do now is drain these peas. Okay, I just drank the water off the peas. It's going in the pot with the ham hocks. This is one bag of 16-ounce peas, black-eyed peas, not just peas. They have a black eye. They have black eyes. Woo! And I'm not like digging. I'm not digging all the way from the bottom, because y'all know back in the days, when your mom and dad used to cook them black-eyed peas. Sometimes you be chewing, they're like you chew down on a rock or something, and that thing do hurt. Well, I want to be very careful to get these peas out from the bottom. Have to pick them out, because I do not want that to happen to me again. Okay, got them all out. Give these baby a stir. Now I want to add in my ingredients. This is onion powder. Give it like 6 shakes. This is garlic salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is black pepper. 2, 3, 4. This is 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt. Seasoned salt. This here. This right here is a teaspoon of cayenne red pepper. Of thyme. This is a teaspoon of salt. This here is a teaspoon of dash. Teaspoon of dash. What I'm going to do now is put this lid over this pot. Give it a little air, because you don't want it to boil over. I'm going to turn this stove down to low medium. And I'm going to let these peas cook for like an hour. 1 hour. The ham hock's been boiling for 2 hours already. Okay. My black-eyed peas been cooking now for 1 hour. The texture of the peas is really, the texture of the black-eyed peas is really soft. So I know it's ready to come out. Ham hocks are tender. Trying to break this bone up though. But you can see the meat. You can see that meat. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do now is put just a little in a bowl and taste it. See if it needs any more season. You can taste yours. See if it needs any more season. And if it do, you can put some more in. But I think mine is just right. I don't really care for that much seasoning anyway, but you know, just enough to make it taste really good. So, like I said, I had the ham hocks boiling for 2 hours before I put the peas in. The peas been sitting out for many hours. Many hours soaking. That's why these peas got done so fast. Because if you soak the peas, it cooks fast. It cooks really fast. If you just pour them in, probably would have been cooking for like 2 hours. Or an hour and a half. But yeah, the meat is falling off this bone. So there you have it. Good old southern black-eyed peas. I'm going to make me a pot of rice. And then take this spoon, big old spoon here, and pour over my rice these black-eyed peas and put a ham hock in it. And what a time, what a time. What a time, what a time. That's what you call some black-eyed peas here. Black-eyed peas. And ham hocks. Falling off the bone. I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Again, my name is Sister Faye. And I want y'all to have a good day, a great day. But before y'all click from my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So you would know the next time I throw down on a dish. Hit that notification button, you'll know. Hit that notification button. Thank y'all again. I'm out.